Are they still there? Holy shit. What the fuck? I'm gonna go on and
I'm looking in the window.
Oh my god. Oh my god, stop. Stop, they all ran away. What the fuck? What the fuck? Dude, there's like so many. They're on the trees. Got my sniper. That's fake. They're gonna do with that. Holy crap. They're gonna come on that fucking window.
They're gonna come.
They're gonna fucking come. Oh my god, they're like fucking bats. Those are bats!
They're not bad.
Those are bats!
Are they really? No, they're not. There's birds. There's the birds.
What happened with bats? Eddie, they're still coming. Where are they coming from? Those are bats.
Those are birds. Those are
Those have
birds.
to be bats.
Oh my god.
Where are they all coming from? You said about a fucking ant farm? Fucking bird farm?
Dude, I was doing my homework and it was like, what the hell is that? And it was
Holy fucking shit.
they're all the way over there. They're all over there. Dude, imagine they fly in there. I'm fucking.
Dude, what the fuck are they eating?
Dude, we gotta go see if they're outside.
Oh my god, I'm fucking scared. I'm fucking scared.
There's like a zombie apocalypse. They're on the front. Damn. What the hell?
They're still coming.
That one? Dude, yo, what the hell?
Look at that lawn right there.
Someone threw. Were they eating the leaves? Oh my god! I'm going outside. I want to see what's up.
Fucking feasting on something.
Dude, I want to go outside and see what's up. Do you want to actually go? Alright, I'm gonna cut this video right now.